Hi, welcome to CATECH tutorials. This is our 10th model, and I think this is also very easy. With only 3 operations we can finish this. Let's select the plane. Okay. Here let's select the rectangle box and delete this line. Again select the profile. This is the basic sketch. Okay, let's give the dimensions for each and everything. Here it is 42 and its height is, it's better to give at last. This line length is 65. Okay, yes, and sorry, it is not 65. Delete. From here to here it is 65. Okay, and this line length is 50 mm and its height is 8 mm and from this point to this height it is 15 mm. How much? 15 mm it is. And this total height is 32 mm. Yes guys, this is a model. Sorry, this is the sketch, not a model. Constraint, complete constraint sketch. 65, 15, 15, 8, 42 and 32. Yes, exactly. And we have to now give the pad with the length of 35. Okay, preview. Okay, this is the model. Select this plane. Again select the profile. Its length is 25 mm. It is also 25. Now let's constrain this line with the edge of the sketches. Coincidence. Again. Okay, this is a finished one. Exit the workbench. Select the pocket, and its length is up to 20. Preview. Okay, this is the model. How many operations we have done? Only 2 operations. One is pad and one is pocket. Okay, these basic models are only for beginners, not for advanced persons. So those who are don't have any idea about the CATIA, for those people, these are all models and drawings. It's better to practice, guys, to improve and get the good command on our tools, whatever previously we have learned in CATIA class. Okay, so please subscribe the channel and share the video, like the video, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching CATTECH tutorials. Please subscribe channel, like the video, share the video.